What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing is wet sanding my jet ski here. I've already done most of it. I've done from here all the way over to here. Actually, oh wait, actually I probably missed a spot right there. Let me go back to that spot, but all the way up to about right here, and I still got to do all right here still. But as you can see, there was a sticker here, right here. And you can see the line, but with wet sanding, I was able to get it to look like this again. You can't even tell that there was even a line there. There's still a little bit there, but you can't really tell at all. Like I said, I'm gonna do this again next year, and I'll be wiped out. I might not even do this spot right here. It looks a little dull right here, but next year I'm gonna do one more wet sand, so I'll probably that's when I'll get that out. All right, so in today's video, I'm just gonna be wet sanding all this here, all this up to about here, all here. All right, so I'm gonna start wet sanding the back of here. What you just take some sandpaper, get the sandpaper wet. What you do is just get down here, and just start rubbing. You'll start seeing this black stuff come off, which is the oxidation of everything in the paint. Yeah, try and not get sand in it, or you're gonna get gashes in it. All right, I cleaned it off so that won't. But take it, push hard. You gotta push hard. Try to get it nice and even. Ow, that hurt. And I see that all this black stuff that's coming off. That's all the residue off the paint, off this paint. Now, this isn't just regular like car paint. This is a gel coat on it, so it's a lot more forgiving than a car paint. Because on cars, you have the clear coat, which just has the clear coat on it too, but a car, you can burn right through the clear coat and you get the paint, which is a huge mess. Don't want that. So just keep pushing in. You gotta get more water. You want lots of water during this. Keep on. Keep pressure. Now, if you want an arm workout, this is definitely one way to get an arm workout. Your arm's gonna be burning after this. I'm gonna warn you on that. Just wet it again. Some dirt. Just wash off the dirt a little bit. But you can already tell. Look, that little patch there is not there anymore. Okay. So there's also you're gonna smell an odor. It's gonna be like you're gonna smell the stuff going off. Rinse all this off here. So, see, now it was about right here, but you can kind of see where it is. I'm gonna do a little bit more here in this spot, but as you can see, there's not that patch here anymore. So I'm gonna get this wet sand this a little bit more, and then I'll continue with you guys on that side. All right, guys, so I got this all done here. I got all this sanded. I ended up here a little bit more, but so for this video, I think I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm gonna do a time lapse of me doing the rest of this here. So let me get to work on that. Alright guys, I'm gonna start compounding this. You don't want any moisture, so if you're gonna do this, make sure it's all dry. Do not let any moisture be on it because it can ruin. It will not. Oh, it'll affect it'll affect the compound. There you go. I'm just saying in simple terms. So what you do, just kind of like just rub it on. You want it nice and wet. So don't be afraid to use too much. You want it nice and wet on there, and you want to do a spot at a time. So like see, I chose this little spot here. Probably could even put a little bit more on there, but I'm gonna start with that. And you take this, our little. And you see, you get a nice polished part of it. Now, I'm probably gonna do a time lapse of this, getting this all done. And then, yeah, let's do that. Alright, so guys, here's the finished result of it. I just gave it a quick wax because you want to wax it right after. So oxidize, there you go. So it doesn't become oxidized again. So you just give it a quick wax coat to protect the paint from oxidizing. And yeah, so I can see we don't have that line here anymore. It looks just like one solid color going right across. And all I gotta do now is just clean up her here, clean up the plastic from all the stuff blowing all over it. Get a new seat next year. Seat I can't do anything about. But other than that, she's basically almost ready to go in the water this year. I think actually this weekend coming up, I'm gonna be putting them in the water for the first time. At least that one. I don't know about this one yet, but that one, because that one has I rebuilt the whole engine in it, so to make sure she's running properly, she's nothing weird out of normal with her. But yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. I think I'm gonna do a video of my car, like what's done to it and kind of like what I think about it and what I recommend it for anyone else. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys find it entertaining and informative in a way. Yeah, so if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you want to support it. Like I said, there's a lot of things coming to the channel, hopefully within the next few months. I have one series I want to start doing, but I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. See if I got support of my family of it, but other than that, then we should have things coming to the channel. But so leave a subscribe if you want to support the channel more, and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think and what you guys want to see. Anything with cars, give me ideas what I can do. So leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.